Hello, my name is Jovica Riznic, and I would like to share with you some of my thoughts about project risk management. My professional background lies in mechanical and power engineering, and for the most of my career, I was working on projects involving design, refurbishment, operation of complex power plants, systems, like electricity generating stations, heating plants, chemical processing facilities, and so on. And during that career, I noticed one quite obvious, contradiction. On one side, when we are looking to those creation of our minds, of our hands, those systems, they're performing exactly the way how we either design them, how we construct them, or how we operate them, So there is no failure, on them on their own. On the other side, when we see how we get there, how we plan, organize, and run those projects, to deliver those systems, whether these are complex machineries or piece of software, we can see that that process is usually plagued with the problems, difficulties, conflicts, and most cases with complete failure, of those initiatives, So the problem that we face today, with projects, range, from simply, maybe missing, a couple of the deadlines, or making a significant, going significantly over the budget with the project, or maybe completely missing the scope. And in worst case, to the complete failure or cancellation of those projects, Today, if you take, various industries, technologies, areas of application, we are talking about 30 to 40, 45, even maybe 45% of all projects are deemed unsuccessful or failure, So, just to name a couple of those, you remember problems, with the gun registry in Canada, with the health Ontario, not to mention some of the earlier well-publicized, projects like Space Shuttle, the Challenger disaster, 1968, which came, as a consequence of pure management failure, and something like Deepwater Horizon, 2010, spill of oil, and most recently Lac Mégantic, or not to mention, a couple of those bridge collapses in Montreal or somewhere else. So the question is, what is actually happening? What we are doing wrong, so that we are not able, to deliver those projects, on a budget, on schedule, and in accordance, to the specifications.